Hi Haley. So you asked me if I could speak the language here, and well, kinda. We're learning Korean. We take Korean class every Monday, except we can't take it now at the school. We have to do e-learning because uh, nobody's at the school. And anyways, I'm gonna show you how to count to 10. So this is the Korean writings, and you can follow along. So it goes, whoopsie, let's see, starts with 1, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열, like y'all come back now. And also I can say 여보세요, that's hello, and 감사합니다, thank you. Okay, till next time, bye.